Now, the Zimbabwean Confederation of Public Sector Trade Unions has of late been pushing for more of the US dollar component for workers. Currency reforms, which could see more services being transacted in the new currency ZiG, brings a new situation that may need more assessment. The unions had already disagreed with the employer on remuneration, with their general demand being to be paid exclusively in US dollars. So what could change now? We're now joined by the union's chairperson, David Zatsunga, to help us understand how the currency change affects their position. Mr. Zatsunga, good evening. What is your position on salaries in the face of a new currency that has been released?
Let me start by saying the move by government to reform the currency regime is quite welcome. I think this has been long overdue. And we believe that, therefore, this was informed by need rather than anything else. We have been experiencing a lot of inflationary headwinds. Having said that, at the moment, we cannot speak in an informed way as to how this new currency is going to affect our salaries in terms of our buying power, because as far as salaries are concerned, it's all about what you can buy with the salary. Is the salary enough to reproduce you? Is the salary enough to cover your health care? Is your school fees and so forth? And that to us is what matters. And we don't know how the ZiG is going to impact that.
Cabinet today advised that some rural and urban communities could encounter water shortages due to the depressed 2023-24 rainfall season. However, as at April 2024, the national dams were at 79.9% full, substantially above the 71.1% full expected during the month of April.
Cabinet would like to advise that some rural and urban communities could encounter water shortages due to the depressed 2023-2024 rainfall season due to El Nino. At the 4th of April 2024, in terms of statistics, the national dams were at 79.9%, which is substantially above the 71.7% during the month of April. The nation is advised that there are 12 dam projects under construction. The Lake Gwai Shangani in Matabeleland North has reached 70.2% in terms of completion, and the Kunri Dam in Mashonaland East has reached 47% in terms of completion.
Government is in the process of deploying artificial intelligence-aided ultra-portable X-ray machines to help scale up the tuberculosis fight across the country. The machines will be deployed to the country's TB hotspots and communities where TB treatment and screening services are not easily accessible. Speaking at a post-78th United Nations General Assembly high-level meeting on health feedback and all stakeholders meeting, Acting Deputy Director for the TB program in the Ministry of Health and Childcare, Dr. Fungai Kavenga, said the artificial intelligence-aided devices will increase access to the highly needed TB screening services in the country.
One of our initiatives is the adoption of use of ultra-portable X-ray machines. So these will come with computer-aided diagnosis, artificial intelligence. So these ultra-portable machines will be deployed further down in our communities that are hard to reach, where there's limited access to TB services and healthcare services in general. So I think in this quarter, we'll be deploying this device.
ZPC Kariba coach Newton Chitewe is motivated by collecting points against bigger teams despite having a new look side. Kawayaka Turuturu lost a number of players last season but have managed to have a decent start to the season as they have only lost once in their first 5 games of the season.
It's a great motivation for us. Since we have started, we brought in a lot of players which are new to the ZFC philosophy, which want to play. So when you collect some points on bigger teams and what we have done, it's a great motivation for us.
Konapo Konapo, Ipapo pa ZTN Prime, DSTV channel 294, the place to be.